How to create Canva Instagram posts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you guys can create your Instagram posts in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Canva. And after you've opened up your Canva, here make sure you're logged in. And after you've logged in, you'll find the social media option right here. So tap on social media, and from here select which social media you want. We'll select Instagram, and it'll give us the Instagram posts ratio right here. You can see there is a 4:5. There is one for Instagram story, a square post, and again it's really the same thing. So select and a template that you want. The ratio that you want. And after you select that, it will open up this page. So here you can see a blank canvas. If you want, you can bring a template from here. So I'm just going to use this template and it's going to get added right here. So from here now you can change the images that you want. So you can upload images by heading over to the uploads option right here. Tap on uploads. Tap on upload files to upload an image. After you've done that, you can then select an image that you want to post. So if I select this one, I'm just going to delete this, tap on delete, and you can add one from your upload section. So if I just drag it and post it right here, there you can see I've added one. Now I'm going to do the same for other images right here, and let me bring another post, and yeah, keep on doing that. And after you're done with your image, or if you're done with your post, you can then tap on the share button right here, then tap on download or tap on directly Instagram. I'll just tap on download and download the image first. Then you can download it as a PNG or JPG. I'll just set it at PNG, then tap on download. Then the image will get downloaded, which then later you can post on Instagram. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.